Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we saw about changing directories in Linux terminal. Now let's see ls command to display files and folders in terminal. To display any files, we can use ls command. By this, we can see what are the files and folders are in the directory. Here ls has lots of flags to use with it to list files in different view. Like here you see there are 9 folders and 1 file. But not only this, there are also some hidden files and folders. To see that, you need to use a flag. Here the A is to display every files and folders in the directory. The files and folders which have period in their prefix are hidden files and folders. There are lots of flags for ls command, like here we used A to display all files. Now we are going to use L to list files and folders in our current directory by getting all the details about that. Here you can see these are the permissions, and this is the owner, and this is the group, and this is the size of the file or folder, and this is the date it's created or modified. And the D denotes directories and the hyphen denotes files. And there are some more things we can see in our future videos. We can also use any name of a directory to list files in those directories, like lsl. Here I need to see the files in bin directory. Here the bin is a link. Here you can see that. Let's change to user. Here you can see that these are the folders in user directory. We can also combine the flags to get more details. I am combining the L and A flag to show the details of the user directory in this manner, and I need to see all the hidden files and folders. These are things, there are no hidden files. Here, if I only need to see this folder, I can't use lsl user slash lib. When I am trying to use that, it displays the files and subfolders in the folder, but I need to get the details about that folder. For that, I can use dflag. Here you can see I am getting the details about the lib folder in user directory, like permissions, owner and group, and the size and date. But if I need to see the details are like this to a file, I don't need to use the dflag, because the dflag is to view details about the directory. I just use lflag to get the details about a file. Here I am trying to get the details about password file in etc folder. Here you can see that the permission, owner, size and date and name of the file. Here you can see we got 4096 and 2733. These are the size of the file or a folder. It's displayed in bytes, but by humans we can't take byte as the size of the memory. If there is a file that's size of a gigabyte, then it displays the weird number. We can't understand that. So there is a flag to display the size in human readable format, like H. Here the size is 2.7 KB. Here let's display our home directory files and folders. They are sorted in alphabetic order, but there are some flags to help us to sort in reverse order, in time based and in size based. To display in reverse order, you can use R, the lowercase r. Here it displays in backwards Z to A. And the next one is sort by size, ls l uppercase S. Select a different folder. Let's use etc. Here you can see that the large size of file on the top and, and the small size is on the bottom. You can also reverse the order. By now, the large size is on the top and small size on the bottom. You can reverse it to small size on the top and large size on the bottom by combining R flag with it. Here you see the large file is on the bottom and the small file is on the top. The next flag is T to sort by time. Here the oldest file is RPC in April 1st, 2013 and the latest and the newest file is cups. It's just modified 5 minutes before. Let's reverse it. Here the newest is on the bottom and the oldest is on top. Here you can see there are lots of files and folders. There's a command to display each files in each folder in recursive order. Let's see that. Here I have file in new folder and some in documents and there is no file in some folder. If you just enter ls, the values are displayed in blocks like this. You can change how they need to display, like ls m to display them using separated by comma, or you can use some other things. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.